Hi, I'm Olive from Olive to Craft, and today we're making Polar Bear Oreos! Marshmallows, candy eyeballs, gummy coal, white frosting, and fudge-covered Oreos. You'll also need a knife and a plate to work on. First, you're going to take your gummy coal and put a little bit of icing on the back of it. Then, you're going to stick it in the middle of the Oreo. For the nose, we use Sour Patch Kids Coral Candy. Next, you're going to take the eyeballs and put a little bit of icing on the back of them. These eyeballs are made from Wilton, and you can find them in the baking section. Now you're going to stick them above the nose. You're going to take your mini marshmallows and put some icing on the long side. You can squeeze them to make them look rounder. These marshmallows are made by Yumalo and they're vegetarian. That means they don't have any gelatin in it. Here's your finished Polar Bear Oreo! Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Thanks for watching. Now get your craft on and get your happy on and have a crafty holidays. Bye! All you're gonna need are mini marshmallows, candy eyeballs, gummy coal, white frosting, and fudge-covered Oreos. Oreos. Okay, ready?
Aww.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Why?
Oh, the eyeball came out. Oh, the whole thing. It's shaving.